CDL exam prep, air brakes test, passed 78%. These were the questions that I missed and the answers. The application pressure gauge shows how much air pressure you answer are applying to the brakes. This gauge shows how much air pressure you are applying to the brakes. That was the application pressure gauge. Next question. During normal driving, spring brakes are usually held back by answer, air pressure. When driving, powerful springs are held back by air pressure. If the air pressure is removed, the springs put on the brakes. Next question. The air compressor stops pumping air at what PSI? Answer, 125 PSI. The air compressor governor controls when the air compressor will pump air into the air storage tanks. When air tank pressure rises to the cutout level, usually around 125 pounds per square inch or psi, the governor stops the compressor from pumping air. Next question. The air compressor governor controls. Answer, when air is pumped into the air tanks. The governor controls when the air compressor will pump air into the air storage tanks. Next question. To test air service brakes, you should answer, brake firmly while slowly moving forward. Wait for normal air pressure. Release the parking brake. Move the vehicle forward slowly, usually about 5 miles per hour, and apply the brakes firmly using the brake pedal. Next question. How should you check that your service brakes are working properly? Answer, park on level ground. Wait until normal air pressure is reached. Release the parking brake and move forward slowly at about 5 miles per hour. Then apply the brakes firmly. Wait for normal air pressure. Release the parking brake. Move the vehicle forward slowly about 5 miles per hour and apply the brakes firmly using the brake pedal. Next question. If your truck or bus has dual parking control valves, you can use pressure from a separate tank too. Answer, release the spring emergency parking brakes to move a short distance. When main air pressure is lost, the spring brakes come on. Some vehicles, such as buses, have a separate air tank which can be used to release the spring brakes. This is so you can move the vehicle in an emergency. Next question. The safety valve is set automatically when pressure is, answer, 150 psi. A safety relief valve is installed in the first tank the air compressor pumps air to. The safety valve protects the tank and the rest of the system from too much pressure. The valve is usually set to open at 150 psi.